Okay, this is gonna take some getting used to. Well, as far as I'm aware, yeah, these are now open. Yeah, definitely are, 'cause that wasn't a thing before. Yeah, which is slightly annoying, but could be worse. Okay, no, she needs that off. Yeah, she needs... That needs to come... Where's my brother? Right, that just... I need to go into the corner. This is fucking too warm. Okay, because that... Yeah, he knows he was getting things. This... Oh, there's the battery blocks. Okay, there's some of the others. Okay, so he's got the stuff. Because I don't like how long she's had it to begin with, to be honest. But this is nope. I just need to breathe. I'm gonna sit, not move. I'm gonna sit and breathe.
Chronicle?
Hi. No, you're just down there. Okay.
I am. Where are you?
Above. Ow. Nice grammar. Been preferring to perch. It's been nicer.
Fair enough.
Stuff for a leader. You got it?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay. The more awkward thing, she's in the end.
Ah.
Yeah.
Alright.
So, we need to go in there to go get her.
I assume you know where then, so I'll follow you.
I have at least a rough idea.
Better than what I have.
No, fair enough. Yeah, that area does still exist. Yes, I've been. I think you were able to tell that though.
Well,
Okay, yeah, I was correct.
I would hope so.
Well, that works.
I was napping.
I don't care.
Well,
Morning.
I'm pretty sure it's night last I
morning, I
checked.
guess.
Yeah, unless I checked in the other one, it was night. But sure, we'll go morning.
Yeah. Hi.
Aye.
I don't like this. Why? What's up?
Well, you're getting that removed.
Oh, fun. Okay. Good news. I got my star back.
Yeah, it's wrong.
I think this is what it is now. So.
That's sure. You're not sure.
I mean, at least you have it back.
Yeah. Blame Cassandra.
She's being hunted still by an axolotl.
That's all right.
That
Oh,
woman
you're
is
orange.
having fun right now.
Fair enough. You're orange again. Are you always orange? That's fine.
I can explain that later. It's not important right now.
I have no defense.
Okay, that's you're worse.
No shit.
Do I dare ask?
I got killed. Do I have to say any more?
Do I dare ask by who?
Embrun. It's fine. I told him to.
So they are around.
Yeah, that's better than I
You-
expected. I will explain later.
I will bitch slap you again.
I don't really care. Go for it. Yeah.
Well, let's get this out of the way. The sooner it's done, the better.
True. Especially considering things.
The bitch slap might turn to a scythe.
You think I would slap you either way? You might want to sit for this.
Let's remove it first.
Fine.
Then whatever you do, I don't care.
Fine. This isn't gonna be fun. I can tell that.
It doesn't hurt that bad.
Yeah, well, it's better
All I
than the
can
headache.
say... I mean, it's gonna hurt regardless, but it shouldn't be as bad.
It's better than the. It's better than the headache Void's giving me. She's not happy. Yeah, she's happy adjacent.
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
Oh, fuck's sake.
I don't know what you want
Oh.
from me.
Aye.
I've been pershing the entire time in the off-world.
I was gonna say, you can come in, this isn't a face circle, just like all kids.
No, I'm good. I've been pershing the entire time.
That makes sense to you.
Ready then?
I don't have a choice here.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Drink that first. That should at least help. Majority of it.
Blah.
Don't like the taste of potions.
Yep.
This one's gonna hurt a
To be
bit.
fair, they're not the best, but
They don't taste that bad.
Yeah, well, when you get them shoved down your throat unwillingly, they suck.
drink this after.
Oh, fun. Okay. Mm. Mm. Potion.
Hey.
There's the next one, just in case.
Fun potions.
At least dull the pain a little bit.
Yeah, won't maybe do much, but it'd be better than nothing. Hey, can you look up?
I will punch you again.
Should take a
I
second.
don't really care. That's better. Yeah, you aren't gonna do much either at the moment either. Punching me doesn't really do anything.
Mm-mm.
It works.
Yeah, Luthia said it would. Like that anyway.
Why did I just hear Void say
We'll just
bitch?
Hmm?
Void just said
Oh.
bitch. I'm not gonna question that.
Don't worry about it.
That was right. Okay. Well, I can confirm I can't sense any of it anymore, so
Okay.
should be gone.
Fun.
Let's just hope
Need
yours
hair.
stays gone.
It should.
Good.
I can confirm that.
Yeah.
That did.
It should.
No, well, at least she hasn't got our issue.
Ugh. Blech.
Speaking of, I think you have some explaining to do.
It's not even that much worse. Although,
You're symmetrical as
first time in a while actually that's happened. You're right, that is a bit wrong.
exactly.
It's a long
Brother,
time. Yes.
explain. What the hell did Embryn do?
Okay, so I ended up coming into the end because the fucking dome ended up getting way too warm. By a lot. Between being a heater box and the nether, yeah, got too much. So I ended up coming in the end to cool off. Ended up talking with Embryn. Some things were said between us. Slight deal was made between us.
You and deals.
This one isn't like
I
the
was about to say
rest.
the same thing.
This one's not like the other ones. This one more benefits Embryn, to be honest, but it was one I wanted to make. I explained part of the scar as they also noticed that it was this, and yeah, they ended up stabbing and killing me. Embryn's a lot more stab happy at the moment, so.
Damn it.
And also just XP hungry, but then again, that's its own thing.
So they're like that. Alright.
Yeah, they're in skulk creature mindset sort of thing.
I've dealt with it before.
You might want to help solve it this time, because they haven't gotten any better. At all. They've been in this...
They'll listen to me.
Maybe in the past, sure.
They are going to listen to me. That is it.
They've been like this for
I
2
could-
cycles.
I could try.
I highly doubt that's a good idea. We just got that fixed.
Been like
Plus
this
the
for
other
2
thing,
cycles, and a lot has changed since then.
I'm aware. Plus
Regardless, I'm still giving it a shot.
That's fair. I'm simply saying don't always expect the same outcome though. Also, you're not attempting because of the other thing.
I'm more than capable of doing it. Thank you very much.
More in the sense of, in case Embrin also stabs you. It's more of an issue for right now.
I'll be fine. I can protect myself.
You may be fine, but are they going to be?
Oh, you were. I want to punch you, but if I keep punching you, it's not going to have an effect.
Yeah, I really don't care if you keep punching me.
Well, I do, so.
Okay. That's your
But,
choice.
but again, I can have a word with them.
Be careful if you do.
Yep.
And you be
I
careful
will
as
be.
well. Don't give 2 shits if you're becoming a god.
I'll do what I have to.
Well, chance to stay in this place now. I will be on the end posts. The dome is open now as well. So you'll be able to go into the actual overworld when you go through the portal again.
No, it's going to be bright.
Actually, the dome is still there, but it's still got the overworld on the outside.
Yeah.
There are 4
No.
entries on either side.
I'm surprised Godblood is out.
Took us getting wither skulls too. We were being stubborn and not letting them.
Also took us more than half the cycle, but...
Yeah. Well, there's a bonus.
I mean,
Nobody else has villagers because we keep killing them. But...
I have 11.
Probably for the best.
That was part of the reason we all eventually realised that we probably shouldn't open the dome. The villagers, in case there was too many. And also the other resources they can get. It's why we started to hinder it rather than speed it up.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I don't think after the event I've killed many wither skeletons. Maybe a few when I was talking to Lethia, but... that's about it. She
Fair
was an
enough.
interesting person, by the way.
I'm sure she was.
Hey, they sound interesting.
They are something.
With the name and it's not. Yeah.
Althea, yeah, she's something. You good?
Yeah. If you wanted to talk to Lithia again, I think she is somewhere in the end.
Yeah, checks out.
I've done a lot
Or
of
if you
such.
want
I
to
think.
meet her, I guess.
No.
There's only a few days left of the cycle, so if I wanted to talk to her, I'd have to hunt fast. Although, not really an issue anymore.
I can hunt.
You're having rest.
Ugh. No.
Either way, if she wants to be found, she will.
True.
She is good at that.
Well, she seemed rather happy to just be in a fortress for me to find, so that was easy enough.
I mean, you were also told where she was, so.
True. I think that was a case of she wanted me to find her at that point.
Makes sense.
You want me to carry you up
But
to the
you
main area?
should get rest at some point.
I've been resting. You two interrupted it.
After that, that's why I say at some point.
I must say, considering you just had that removed, even I ended up resting after I had it removed. Well,
Surprising.
the time that it actually worked. I don't think this is being removed anymore.
You resting? A shocker.
It happens on the occasion.
On the occasion, a rare occasion.
Haven't slept
This is
this.
true.
I haven't slept in 5 cycles.
Have you slept?
Hard to tell, but that's for other things. I'll just stick it to yes and no.
In fact, no, yeah, does being in the void count?
No.
Damn it.
If being in the void counted, I would have. Well,
Also,
you know
you
how
did
I got to the cycles, so
Yeah.
that's fair.
it. I will bitch slap people. I don't care.
In fairness, I've not been in the void
Good.
as much. I just got to go and stab a woman in it and then left.
What is it with you?
Just remind me.
What is it? Stabbing. Yeah.
In fairness, this woman deserved it.
Apparently, there's a lot of that.
Oh, yeah. And from what I can tell, you
There's
still
still.
need to find a woman.
I was just about to say.
She's, I think, in the nether somewhere at the current moment.
I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Might as well get at least one last one in. This thing.
True on that.
Trust me, I don't like using it either.
It's not too bad.
Certainly enjoy what's coming from you, Kron.
I've been stabbed and then thrown through on that thing. It's not too bad. Speaking of, I need to go and get
What?
my new weapon at some point.
Oh God.
Another trident?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, another trident.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
You
It's-
in tridents, sir.
Hey, you were trained in Scythe, I was trained in the trident.
I was not just trained in Scythe. This is what I was given.
In fairness, I can use daggers as well. I can use daggers, spears, glaives, and tridents. That's pretty much my arsenal. You away from the edge. Thank you.
I'd be fine.
I don't care. Away from the edge.
To be fair, I think I would trust her closer to the edge than you right now.
I'd be fine.
I mean, at least you're not. Nah, I'm not gonna say that.
Uh-huh.
I've been bored.
Mm-hmm.
Flying around the end's fun.
I can agree to this.
Yeah, it's fair enough.
I had to do it for an entire cycle. I can agree to this.
You're a fool.
He is.
It was the end corruption cycle. It was end everywhere.
Yes, it still fucking applies, Chronicle.
It was kind of even in the overworld, it was the end. So at that point I gave up and just went in the end.
My point exactly.
I didn't choose it.
Loser. Ow! Bitch.
Uh-huh. And just go get a man's axe actually, I kind of lost it.
Oh god. Oh no.
Yeah.
No.
It's better than me
Not my
losing a
issue.
man's dagger. I should not lose that one. I should find a dress as like dagger at some point. I should find a drastis at some point in the void space. That's an issue for later.
I'm not good. I don't even fucking know.
I'm just not gonna ask.
A
What's the point?
drastis is Wolf's actual name. One of the old fellows of the emblem.
The bitch that stabbed my wife,
Yes, that one.
right? I see my girlfriend. I need my girlfriend. I miss my girlfriend.
No, yeah, that one.
Good to know.
I've lost that one's soul and it's an issue because it's that one.
How many souls have you lost at this point, Kron?
Only 2 actually. Considering it's a total of 168, I'm taking it. And I've lost 2 of them. I'm taking only losing 2. Wait, 3. Oh shit, 3. I should look for that one as well.
Who else?
If you see a 7-year-old child version of me running around, yeah.
Okay.
I think some people severely doubt how lack of morals I have.
I can't say
I wonder
shit.
why.
I killed this world. I can't say shit.
I got a 4-year-old.
I killed my daughter.
I killed a version of my brother. That counts.
Oh?
That one got
Did he
your
know?
attention. I had to kill a few because they typically tended to protect the Chronicle.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Yeah, well,
They're all idiots.
yeah.
Well, that's true, but...
Crowns, not the brother.
it applies to both of us.
Yeah.
Mostly him, though.
Bitch.
It doesn't help that I have proper claws now.
Yeah, I could tell.
Not too bad.
Yeah. I've got my claws, they're just retracted at the moment. Not in the mood to cannibalize.
I'm not sure if mine can retract.
Well, you're dragon-ish thing.
Yeah.
My
Actually,
guess would be probably not.
yeah, I think they're just here now.
I mean, if you're anything like the old one.
Let's see. I prefer that over the spines in the back. Those things are annoying. Would you like to leave the end?
No, I'm fine.
You answered that
Just-
way too fast.
Sorry, I'm fine.
Okay, would you at least like to go to the upside of the thing?
Sure, why not? I'll come back for this later.
Get on. Or are you just gonna fly
I will
yourself?
say, it is a nice area.
Yeah.
My
I
sister
like the
demanded it
scope.
be. Thank you. I enjoy scope.
Most you'll
Let's
have
see
is
how.
Embryn running around at the moment. They might be killing some more Endermen.
Oh. Speak of the devil and they will appear. Okay.
Embryn
Crom,
there?
where are you?
I'm coming down. Should probably put armor on actually.
Fuck armor.
Put your armor on.
No.
I'd wear out the full set if the antlers on the way.
I got kind of. Yeah, someone put horns in the helmet, so. Horns in the helmet? Holes in the helmet. That one.
It's not a bad idea.
Yeah, well, it was either that or I couldn't really wear a helmet and. Yeah, I bashed my head into enough things.
No wonder you're so
I'm very
hard-headed.
familiar.
No wonder you're so hard-headed. Oh!
That
was a
one
good
was
one.
deserved. Get
No.
here. Idiot.
Oh boy.
No, well, hold on. Yeah, that one was expected. Might just throw him at Embryn. Uh-huh.
You deserved it.
Mm-hmm. Is Embryn still running around killing?
Probably.
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 They've been doing it for a good few weeks.
That sounds about right.
Yeah. I'm Jacobing them ever so often now. There was somewhere around here. Did you try and shoot an Enderman?
No, I was trying to shoot you.
Okay. Trying to shoot me isn't the easiest thing. No, that's cheating.
Sure about that?
Come here, you. If I could stab you, I would.
No, I don't have a crossbow. Or else I would try. No, that's true.
If I could stab you, I would. Oh, hey, look who's losing now.
Well, there it is. Remember things.
Yeah.
Look, I was set up to get rid of the scar, not fight.
Loser.
Yes, and?
It
Well,
runs
you
in
would
the
have
family.
gathered this by now.
It runs in the family, I see.
Well, if you're so close to this one, then you should have gathered that by now.
I see you up there.
Oh, speaking of, hey, idiot, I have an update on Lilia.
Oh?
Got a message from her the other day. She's doing okay considering mum and dad aren't there. She's kind of running the family now. The pack plus everything else. So
Fair enough.
let's just say she's trying to get rid of the old family traditions. And for the
Good.
best. Yeah.
Thank God.
Yeah, I don't think we need those.
At least someone's doing it.
Yeah, true. That's just rude. Come here. Asshole.
You good, Alita?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Just stomach pain. I'm fine.
Fair
Ow,
enough.
that's rude.
I'm watching a dragon not being able to fly.
The dragon flew, excuse you. Tallest
How many
pillar.
times is it? Yeah.
None of my rockets didn't set off properly.
Loser.
And in fairness to me, I'm growing back in my wings.
That makes sense.
They've been gone long enough and my old wings are now round enough that, yeah, they can do that.
Fair.
Man incoming.
Really?
Do that.
Really? Oh, if only I had a bow.
It does not matter with the world. Endermen will always be fucking rude.
Yes, that's true. Oh, if only I had a bow to shoot you both with.
Uh-huh.
See how long it takes him to know to find me.
There you are.
Hi.
Yay.
Typically look at the tallest one if you ever want to find me.
I could probably hit you from here.
Oh, no, you're a bit too short for that.
Sorry about that. You know what? I don't even need to. I'll take that.
No,
Oh, no.
there you go.
Oh no. At least it looked at that.
You have a man after you.
Well, that's just an L on your part. I'm gonna stay up on my perch.
At least I put my armor on. I don't care if he hits me. I'm just gonna let him kill himself.
Uh-huh.
No, let him kill himself. Be funny.
No, please kill him.
No. Let him die.
I'm just speeding it up. There it is. There you go.
I see.
You know what makes it worse for him is how much shorter he is than the both of us.
How much shorter you both are to me?
I'm not that much. Yeah, but he's tiny.
Mm.
You're tiny.
I'm 7'1". He's, what, 5'3"?
5'7".
5'7". You're still short.
Hello, good sir. I know you're looking at me. Thank you.
Oh, well, that's an
Oh.
Emran.
There he goes.
Yeah, it's an Emran. That's a me. Hi. Yeah, it checks out.
That's a you.
Foolish.
Look, I know I made a deal to help Britain, but this was not the part of it.
It runs in the family foolishness, apparently.
Yeah, have you seen him?
I don't need to. I look at you enough.
Yeah, question why.
I'm getting one of those.
Hi, sir.
He would like to say hi.
You know, sometimes I forget Ender might exist.
Yeah, it's why I'm also honestly throwing the ender pills just to see what I get.
Yeah, it's
Hi,
fair.
sir. Stop nodding at me.
You have a man.
Hi, sir. You can stare into his eyes now. Their jaws are weird.
Mine do that. What do you mean?
You're realizing this now?
Do you think I stare into their eyes often? No, I kill them.
Well, you're around them for a whole cycle.
This is true. However, what makes you think I actually pay attention to them? I normally just kill them and went about my day.
You're the more observant one than I am, Chronicle.
I'm aware.
Even we both know that.
Yeah, well. Ow. Bones.
You don't need those.
I know, I think I do, actually. Apparently I now have to ask the question of, do you actually want your protector or not? 'Cause that's sure something. So we're not actually been touched yet? Surprising. You should go out of the end.
No, I got a message from Embren.
Oh?
Oh.
That's fine. I'm staying in the end because Nether's too hot, and even with the overworld open, it's bright. My eyes are
There's
sensitive.
skull caves.
Yeah, if you can find one.
And there's a massive cave nearby actually as well.
Well, I guess you'd have to show it me.
I think it's more of a thing if my brain will let me. It's not really my choice as much as it used to be.
No, I can drag your ass to the portal, it wouldn't be hard.
I can help.
Mm-hmm.
You're lucky that I don't have.
I want to explore the end anyway. I haven't this cycle yet.
Well, I might, to be honest, hunt someone down. I don't know.
You have fun with that. All I know is Morgan's getting agitated over something. He's currently been trying to leave, but I'm keeping him here.
Good. Keep him, please. Right, you have fun in your end. Doing something. Going out? No.
Have fun. I'm going to try and keep all the rest of my souls here, even though they're trying to leave. Because something has a lot of them spooked.
That's concerning.
Yes, it is.
But keep Morgan. I can deal with what he's worried about. Or
Yeah.
agitated over.
I'm not sure if you'll be able to find what he's worried over. Or if it's the
I
same
will try.
thing.
I have a
'Cause
theory.
he's saying it's
Let's just say.
not the same thing as what you know.
Hmm.
So be careful on that.
Always the watcher they were. Okay.
Alita,
Yeah.
you should be fine, but if anything happens, let me know.
Well, good. I'm an idiot.
Because the
But
scar should be gone, but that's the first time this has ever happened, so.
yeah. I will keep you updated if anything.
I appreciate it.
Might. Yeah. No, of course. Am I expecting messages from you?
I don't
Or
know.
am I fine? Given things.
Oh, you mean the thing that you're trying to hide and failing miserably at?
Yes.
Depends.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna go and either hunt or see if I can meet somebody.
You and me both.
Have
I'll
fun,
follow
brother.
on after you.
You're gonna be a bitch, here you are. And I'm an
I
I'll
will
see you two around.
See
see you
ya.
around, Havoc. I'll see you again.
You as well?
Where did you just go? Hoping you disappeared.
I would have been fine.
No, you wouldn't have. Do you have to look at me alone?
I'm not you, though, am I? Can you
No,
help?
you're a person that is carrying a child.
Okay, okay. Apparently, I'm just too tired to draw a weapon today.
That'll be from the weakness.
Yeah, I fucking hate it.
Yeah, well, it's what happens. We needed to do it so the scar would be weakened.
I would have been fine.
No, you wouldn't have. I'm fucking not fine. Yeah, for my fucking brother's sake, I pretend I am. Trust me, if I could, I would tear every inch of this off of my skin, but it doesn't do shit because of my mother. Comes back each and every fucking time.
And that I am sorry.
You should go.
Okay.
You have a hunt to do.
Yeah, let's see if I can find her.
And be careful.
I'll be fine. We both will be fine. Amethyst is also here.
Morgan says to watch out. Apparently, Iona's soldiers around. I don't know what that means.
Oh, I know. He paid me a visit. In the lab.
Fun.
AK. I know soldier is Morgan's body. But very fucked up. I can tell you that.
That's an issue.
Mm-hmm. I'm borrowing your end corner and passing out, and then I'm hunting.
That is fine. Have fun.
Don't be a fool, Con.
Thought I already was
Actually,
one.
I want this kid to meet that dad.
I knew I shouldn't stay here, but... Let's actually go and see what this end is like. Shall we? Because, oh, how it's been so long. Oh, how I miss this place. So desolate and yet so full of things. Such a pretty thing it could be if you actually had to live here. If someone actually cared about it. But no, it's thrown away like an afterthought. Guess there's a reason I'm here, huh? I guess it'd be another afterthought, you can say. A place that no one cares for. They all want to learn about it, to research it, but truthfully, they don't care about it. They'll learn, they'll research, they'll reckon in, but when it comes to the end of the day, they don't care. They'll just leave it. Just like so much is done in the past. Guess it's about time we have some fun, huh? I think it's about time we probably talk again, Iterum. It has been a while.